All right, welcome on in to sixth grade math. We're just going to teach some basic, super basic skills for algebra here. What we're going to go ahead and start off with is maybe like a scary equation to some people, but it's just x plus 1 equals 2. Now, this looks scary because x is a letter, and letters aren't normally in an equation. Normally, we have something like 2 plus 2 equals 4, but now we have x plus 1 equals 2. So what I want us to do is just think of x as simply a question mark. That's all we're doing here. We're just finding out what number plus 1 equals 2. That's all we're doing here. So all we're doing is just simply seeing x as a question mark. So we could see it as x question mark plus 1 equals 2. And so if I have one of something, how many more do I need to get 2? So we could do this several ways. One, we could just use your fingers, or what we can do is we could take this 1 here and we could subtract this 1 to this 2, and it will equal x equals 1, because 1 minus, or 2 minus 1 equals 1 here. So if we go ahead and move on here, we'll see the same style of equation for x plus 1 equals 3, or as we see it, question mark plus 1 equals 3. So we can go ahead and do is the same process here. We're going to go ahead and subtract 1 from the 3. So that's all we have to do is just subtract 1 from the 3. And what's 3 minus 1? It's going to be 2. So x equals 2. This is kind of just explaining the same thing. How many numbers do we need to get to 3, and what number does x represent? All x is just a question mark, and it's you just telling me how many more do I need, how many more numbers do I need here in order to get to 3. All right, and in that equation, like we said, it is 2. So you could do it that way. Obviously, the easiest way is just to figure it out by subtracting. So we're just going to subtract both sides and then get the number that we want here. All right, so here are a few equations here to try at home in practice, and go ahead, and if you have any questions, go to the Facebook page and I will be there to answer any one of them for us, or even our blogs. All right, have a nice day.